don't go out, baby. Stay out. Stay out.
Stay there, okay? I'm just gonna catch
out,
some
out.
eggs.
Inside.
Look at those eggs that they are laying. Laying eggs.
Eggs.
Only eggs. Hello. Hello. Don't bite me because I'm not gonna bite you. I'm just gonna cook you for tinola. Ano isang gano'n ginagawa nun?
There, yung mga eggplant. Tingnan po mo.
Si chichiri chichi. Chichiri chichi. Look, oh my God, these are the eggs that they lay. Look. Hello, what is that? So scared. Anong ginagawa niya? Eating?
Naglilay siya dyan.
Pwede ba
May
yun?
naglilay din.
Pwede ba? Messi? Messi, how they lay eggs?
Inside.
Oh, they lay eggs inside of that big container. Like a can container. See that? I don't know why they do that too. They're supposed to be eating their food there, but they lay eggs in there too. They're hiding it, huh? Look at that.